Hi, my name is Christina and I will be walking you through my concentration of solution lab. I used a measuring cup that will help me measure in milliliters. And I also used red Kool-Aid, which has the mass of 6.2 g, which is stated on the label. So now, to get the molar mass, we need to know what Kool-Aid is made out of. Kool-Aid is made out of sucrose. The chemical formula for sucrose is C12H22O11. So we take those numbers, times them by the element's mass number, which is 12 times 12.01, which equals 144.12. 22 times 1.01 equals 22.22, and 11 times 16, which equals 176. Now we take all those numbers and add them up to find our molar mass, which comes up to 342.34 g per mole. Now we need to find our mole for Kool-Aid. So we take 6.2 times 1 mole equals 6 divided by 342.34, which equals to 0.018. Now we are ready to add water to our first cup. So I added 20 milliliters to the first cup and the whole pack of Kool-Aid. So now we need to find the molarity of the mother cup. So we take the last number that we used, which was 0.18, divided by 200 milliliters, which is the water that we added to this cup. But we need to transfer the milliliters to liters. So to do that, the number will be 0.200. Now it's liters. So it's 0.18 divided by 0.200 equals 0.09. So that's our molarity for the first cup. Now we can move on to the second cup. So the second cup, I added 200 milliliters, and I took 25 milliliters from the first cup to the second cup. Now the dilution equation would be 0.09 times 25 divided by 225, which the 225 we got from the 200 milliliters of water that we added and 25 milliliters of the Kool-Aid with water that we got from the first cup, which comes up to 0.01 for the molarity of the second cup. Now we can move on to the third cup. Now the third cup, we will add 50 milliliters from the second to the third, and we added 200 milliliters of water. Now the dilution equation is 0.01 times 50 divided by 250, which equals 0.002, which is the molarity for the third cup. Now we can move on to the fourth cup, which is this one. Now we transferred 75 milliliters from the third cup to the fourth cup, and we added once again 200 milliliters of water. So now the dilution equation is 0.02 times 75 divided by 275, which comes out to 0.000 5, which is the molarity of the fourth cup. Now we can move on to the last cup, which is the fifth. So we transferred 100 milliliters from the fourth cup to the fifth cup, and we added once again the 200 milliliters of water. Now the dilution equation for this cup is 0.0005 times 100 divided by 300. That comes up to 0.002 molarity, which will be for this cup. Now that you can see all 5 together, you can notice that this one is the darkest and it slowly becomes lighter. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.